Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? This is Magda Khalil, and today we will speak about the first lesson in Arabic. As any language, you going to learn it, so you have to know what are the letters and to understand them, to memorize them, and to write them. Okay, so let's start direct. I will explain as I'm doing for a kid and also for old person. So we will speak about the whole information. So if you are a mother or an old student, you can understand, and also the kid. After that, you can explain to your kid. Okay. Firstly, this is Alif. Okay. And to understand Arabic letters, you have to know three things about the letter. First thing is the name of the letter. Here, the name of the letter is Alif. Okay. But its pronunciation is not Alif. The sound or the pronunciation is A. A. And this is the second thing that you have to know about the letter. The third thing is how to write the letter. How to write the letter. So, here, the first thing is the name of the letter. The name is Alif, okay? Second thing is the pronunciation is A, okay? Third thing is how to write Alif. How to write Alif is like this, okay? After that, we have a small Hamza in the top of Alif, and we will speak about it in the end, inshallah. After that, we have Ba. I speak quickly, okay? So focus, and if you need to repeat again the video, it's okay. After that, Ba, okay? The name is Ba. Ba, Ba. The sound is Ba or Ba, Ba. Okay? To understand the sound good, like for example, if we have like Ba, you put before it Alif sakin or Alif with fatha. Abba. Okay. Sakin or with fatha. You can use both of them. Okay. To understand how to pronounce the letter and to know the place of pronunciation of the letter, which is the articulation point of the letter. Okay. After that, we have ta. Ta. This is the name of the letter. Okay. And after that, what is the sound of ta? It's ta, ta, ta. And here, focus that ta has a whispering. How? Ta, ta, like this. Okay? And how to write it? It's the same like ba, but with 2 points in the top, not 1 point under like ba. Okay? After that, we have sa, sa. Okay? Like th. th. Okay? Sa, sa. And don't forget to make your tongue go up to touch the upper teeth, your upper teeth, like the same of f, f, like this, okay? So your tongue have to go up, and it's not fa, it's not f. No, it's tha, like th, okay? After that, jim. And how to write tha, to not forget, tha is the same like ta, but with 3 points, okay? So the number of points is so important. 1 point under, it's ba. 2 points in the top, it's ta. 3 points is tha. After that, we have jim, 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 like in English, like this. Jim, okay? And it has to be longer, so like 2E, okay, double E. Jim, jim. What is the sound? Edge, 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 okay? Or j, j, like this. After that, we have ha, ha. Its name is ha. It's not ha, it's ha. How can I read ha right? How can I pronounce it perfect and like an Arabic person? It's coming from the middle of the throat. Look at your throat and put your finger in the point in the middle of your throat and say if you feel a vibration in the middle of your throat, so you read good, you read right. So put your finger in the middle of your throat and say ha, ha. Where did you find the vibration? In the middle of the throat or in the beginning? If it's in the beginning close to your mouth, so it's not right, it's wrong. Okay? So it's ha. You say ha, not ha. Okay? After that, how to write? We will write three of them. Jim, ha, and kha. This one called the kha. 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 Like KH. Okay? Kha. And it's a heavy letter. It's heavy. It's not light anyway. Ha, full of your mouth with ha, ha. Okay? Like this. So it's a heavy letter. Now, how to write jim ha, ha? Like this. A line. Okay? A straight small line. And like C connect with it. Look, we have C letter in English and a small straight line in the book line. Okay? One of them, its point is inside, so it's a Jim, Jim, Jim. And the light one, Ha, Ha, without any points. It's just light letter. Okay? And the Ha is the same also. Okay? And it's a point in the top, so it's so heavy. Ha, ha. Okay? So now let's speak about them from the beginning. Alif, A, ba, ba, or b, b. Okay? Ta, at, ta, ta. Okay? Fa, this is the sound, the real sound. Like this. Jim, aj, or j, or ja. So focus at the part of j, j. Okay, have to be heavy. Ha, ha, it's light, but it's not ha. Okay, so ha, ha. Feel the vibration. Ha, like this. After that, ha, ha, ha. It's heavy. Okay, and we know how to write it.